Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be discussing how to rent a car on Turo. Please buckle up. This is going to be a great one. So I was going to visit family out in Arizona in September of 2020, and in order to get around I needed to rent a car. Arizona is very big, and so many options on Turo allow you to get around the Scottsdale area. It has lots of wonderful car options available on Turo's app. You can see that I'm scrolling through and have found a couple desirable SUVs or high-end sedans. What shall I choose for this trip? Land Rover, Rolls-Royce, Mercedes, Jeep, or a Tesla. This Tesla looks like it's on fire. 2018 Model 3 long range, red. Sounds like a good option. Turo Go Unlock Car will equip you to unlock the car on arrival. So by landing at Scottsdale's closest airport, I'd be able to get in the car and unlock it with the app. Now with my email connected, I receive a verification that my Turo account has been set up, and I'd be good to rent. The reviews on this car make me feel confident that it's a great option. The owner, Sterling, seems to have a good rapport with his other people who've rented. Some steps that are required to set up a Turo, including your name and contact information. Once that's complete, you get notification about your email being received. Now to confirm all the details, this would be a 2-day trip, $74 per day with an additional fee from the airport, delivery free, sales tax, and 400 miles of range. This car will require me to charge it up to 85% upon returning it, and they ask specifically that I don't charge it below 20%. There's additional EV recharge for $30 per trip, unlimited mileage for $100 per trip, or a child safety seat. For my 2 days, 48 hours with the Tesla on Turo would be $211. There's an additional cost for protection. And in this situation, there's an additional selection at the bottom saying, no thanks, I would like to decline protection. By decline protection, that relies specifically on your auto insurance provider. So I will decline. Depending on your situation, you may want to add additional coverage. That will be determined by you. We have free cancellation up to September 24th at 4 p.m. That would be 2 days before my trip. I'd like to introduce myself to the owner of the car. So I send him a brief message describing what I will be doing on the trip and send that off. And now my trip is pending. I have details that will be September 25th from 4 p.m. to Tuesday, September 27th at 4 p.m. My flight is set to depart at 4:25. I'll arrive at 2 p.m. and there'll be additional 2 hours to drop off the car. 400 miles included. Should be enough to get me around the Scottsdale and Phoenix area to visit my family. Within the hour, I received updates regarding how I could connect the Tesla app on my phone and have access to the car immediately, as well as parking instructions for how I could pick up the car. And I have directions from the airport specifically to where the car will be parked. Depending on which terminal I will arrive in, these directions could get me right to the car. Don't charge the car above 80% or let the car get below 5%. Next time I arrive, I'm at the airport and I could see the Tesla car on the Tesla app. And we've made it. Come back for the next video and see the dent in the windshield. Thank you.